Headteachakay. Bless up your nice, clean self with your good merch. Auntie Rose Kitchen. Bless up your nice, clean self. I have a message for the two of you. I don't know if I really want to do it now. I want to do it in the morning when I come home from work. But I've been away all day, right? I want to make you know straight. Big up on yourself. You hear me? Big up on yourself. Headteachakay. You're beautiful in the skin that the Lord got you in. You hear me? And He also made you a happy woman, and I see that because I'm a witness to it. And you are a chosen woman, black queen. You are a chosen black queen. And you'll never forget that, and always remember, not a lot of people know about Chosen, my favorite head teacher. One of the ways to protect our chosen is for a lot of things that these people have not picked up a book and read to even understand. So sometimes I got to stay quiet and let the Lord work. But I know I got a message for both of y'all. Bless up your nice, clean husband. Headteachakay. You are chosen. I know you are. Auntie Rose. I respect you and call you Auntie Rose because when children love you, and you see children cling to you, that's a sign for this young person right here. You understand? And it goes way deeper. It goes way deeper than social media. So for me, how I am in the streets, in my house, how I was raised properly. I'm going to tell you something, Auntie Rose. Listen to me and listen to me good. When children love you, that automatically going to make me love you too. And we was able to see that through a what? Through a device. And I know a lot of people, they stretch these things and auntie this and this, that, and the third. Well, I'm not doing it because my name Ping Ping and I'm straightforward. I ain't straight, backward, crooked, or nothing. When children love you, it tells a lot. And I know why I'm saying it. And I'm always going to respect you, Auntie Rose. Because guess what? I got an eye for good people. And because I got an eye for good people, I'm saying that. It's a lot to say to both of y'all. But guess what? It's a reason why my behavior is not always too friendly. But Auntie Rose, you was one of them women that I respect. And I highly respect you because of the things that I need to respect you for. You understand me? The things that I need to respect you for and the things that the Lord is going to judge me about. That's the reason why I don't follow social media. I don't follow none of that. I follow my own. And I want to tell both of y'all, y'all beautiful. Auntie Rose, you know you beautiful. With that laugh, you beautiful, girl. And I want you to keep up the good work. Because people going to look sometimes and look from the outside. I go by action. I go by what I see. I go by all the things that is true. That means if social media locked down today or tomorrow and Mark Zuckerberg push that click and lock it down, guess what's going to happen now? I'm always going to remember you, and I'm always going to remember Headteacha. You see me? Headteachakay. If a man or a woman don't like how you look, always remember what I tell you. The Lord love how you look because he made you. And then he gave you a nice husband where you know that your home is fully under control and fully equipped. I love that about you, young lady. There's a lot of things. Your intelligence is well needed in this here diaspora. A lot of them don't pick up no books. And after picking up the books and close the books, they can't push forward. So guess what? There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things that people needs to understand that they not understanding. Each and every go round, we all are being judged, but not the way how they do it. Not the way how they do it. My daddy taught me some things, and I'm using it in this small little room right now, just to, cause you see, I just got up for work. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to get off track. I have not listened to anything. I do not want to listen to nothing. Why? Because at the end of the day, when I analyze it from the streets to the book to the Lord, it ain't going to happen, and it ain't going to equip for me. It ain't going to go for me. You understand what I mean? It ain't going to go for me. I don't like none of this shit. And guess what? I'm never going to like a goddamn thing. Trust and believe that. Let me tell you something. I understand everything that went on. Whoever think I don't understand everything that went on. But I'm busy. And I don't feel, I say let the Lord work. I could have stopped, pulled over, did whatever. I said no, let the Lord work. Let the Lord work. And when he work, then I'm going to know what to say. And then I'm going to know what to do. My only thing is, these women are beautiful. And I'm going to keep saying that however many times that I need to say it. They're happy. Outside of social media, there is something that is going on. And when people do things like this, they tend to leave certain shit alone. All the things that needs to be left over here. And we need to build. Everybody see what it is. But y'all not saying nothing. Y'all want to use y'all fucking platform, this, that, and the third. But the thing that bothers me is, why is y'all giving this bitch over here room? Room to kiki, room to laugh, room to do all that. Is y'all dingy or not? What y'all got Tina Chin laughing at? What y'all got Tina Chin laughing at? Because none of them bitches can't laugh. They don't have A1 credit. Kiki ain't no laughing. Stop. I don't give a fuck. All body shames need to go down. Because, listen to me. If the Lord did not give it to you, it ain't yours. And if you don't know how to shut the fuck up with it, it ain't never going to be yours in the eyes of real people. When every other day, people will let y'all go by with these fake asses that look like two basketball that's going flat. Or whatever the case may be. Stop. The people that is doing things just like y'all are having business or being a business person. Do y'all understand what y'all doing? Half of y'all it don't even fucking fit. Do y'all understand what y'all doing? Y'all leave too much fucking room. and fucking with the wrong people. The right people is right in front of y'all fucking face. And y'all not doing it. One thing about it in life, I play basketball. Right? In real life. So, I would never want a losing fucking team. And I do not want a losing team for that man upstairs. Because he give him some shit and he can fucking take it away. Now, Headteacha, beautiful soul. When I tell you, sometimes this is it. You motherfuckers don't take time out to get to know people. Let the Lord show you what he needs to show you. Y'all don't do it. You see what I'm saying? Y'all don't do it. This is why you have certain people out here, they're chosen to protect other chosen people. A chosen person don't have to say absolutely nothing. Nothing. Because if they don't, y'all will see later. But if they do, y'all won't see nothing. In this case, y'all will see. Ancestors not liking some of y'all. Let me tell y'all that. You see why I stay away? Because I have to be careful. You can't just come out and just like that. When one man starts something, not even observant start nothing. Where's that motherfucker that's underneath observant page? Shouldn't y'all be getting at her? Huh? Shouldn't y'all be getting at the one that's sitting up there calling people out their fucking names? That's the main interest. That's the main fucking suspect. Y'all pick too much. And y'all not farmers. Y'all heard it, and because I heard it. Y'all heard it time and time again. This shit ain't have to escalate. Some of you motherfuckers is dealing with shit in y'all house. Y'all not happy. When a go-lucky motherfucker like me go outside, and I'm gone with the wind. You'll never know. Y'all too stuck. It was a mistake that was made. And a mistake that was made, I'm understanding that it's causing unnecessarily body fucking shame. This, that, and the third. Stop. You know why? Because karma is a bitch. And if y'all didn't get it properly, it will come back. And that's something that me and my friends, we wouldn't do outside. Because we don't need no karma that's going to come back to us in whatever we do. And when that shit look like karma and we know that it ain't karma, we get that shit the fuck out of here. And that's what we do. Everything is needed is right there just like everything else. Everybody is all over the place. Scavengers. Bottom line, the lady is wrong. Whatever her name is that's underneath observant, because they sent me with the fuck she said. And that alone would have made somebody address, especially when you have a woman, you have a black woman with dignity, pride, very intelligent. Motherfuckers want people to be quiet. Nobody is going to be quiet. Unnecessarily call me out my name. Listen, I tell them like this. Don't say shit to me. I call things for what it is. That means I don't let nothing go by. Not unless I didn't see it. And this is how it's supposed to go. You can tell that some shit is there. Now, I hear it from a couple different places. I don't need to hear from everybody. I told y'all I got about four or five sisters on this joint. And you would never know. Cause I be chilling, falling in with the crowd. I chill. And everything about this little old bullshit that they got carrying on. Really and truly, ain't nobody really said nothing wrong. Except for the one person, be honest. Anything that can be solved and worked out, I don't look at it. Do you know what started all of this shit? Pathetic shame. All I know is this. I don't want to touch down on that shit. Because there's things out here that is bigger. Because we all saying the same thing, right? This is when you're going to find out for real. And this is why I'm not saying nothing, because at the end of the day, I'm going to tell y'all something, and I have to be honest. I love my aunties. I can't make them look stupid at no point. In all three corners. And I know what's about to take place. If you say you plunker, I'm going to know who you are. You don't have to like me. But I'm going to have respect for you. Because at the end of the day, we all supposed to be out here on one thing, right? And it's from prior what happened out here. Seriously, what the fuck is y'all out here for anyway? Because I don't think it would be a need for me to say that. What is y'all out here for? Are y'all fighting for a cause? Are y'all coming out here with y'all dusty ass? Y'all making shit more messed up so y'all could bring y'all real life and throw it in there because y'all full of shit and y'all sad at a baby's funeral. Which one? So to feel good and to look like somebody, y'all would immediately run. Y'all ain't no fucking track star. Y'all don't get up every day riding skateboards and skate shoes. So of course y'all will bust yourself in the face on the ground. Are y'all out here for a cause? It's easy. Somebody is wrong and somebody is right. Alright? With Miss Rose and observant. Can't y'all see it? Why don't y'all just say no, boom, 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 and that's it? Y'all have to carry it on all throughout the day. Y'all have to carry it on from yesterday like y'all really fucking doing something. Nobody didn't disrespect Headteachakay. You know why? Because I will do my due diligence and jump in front of whoever made a terrible mistake. Because it's some things that some people just don't know. Do you hear what I say? I'm withholding information. And I'm holding back too because I need y'all to understand something. But then y'all will see me chip out and talk to motherfuckers who see my favorite ed teacher and Auntie Rose up here and feel like I'm going to say something out the way. Nope. Big up my favorite ed teacher, okay? Big up Auntie Rose. Observe and get this thing right. You don't have to do it amongst nobody. And that's just it. Because guess what? At the end of the day, do you see our three women? Pause for a minute on that. Do you see scavengers on the outskirt looking in to laugh at things and to have something to say? Alright. Don't you think all three of them people have drunk or spirit, bad mind spirit towards them? I'm not going to say too much. Y'all supposed to know I go to work. I don't have a thing to play. Don't y'all see? Y'all need to get a grip. And I'm not talking about I'm not talking about all three names that I say pause. I want y'all to look. This is what I can't take. Them. They've been fucking up so long. They're looking for the first banana peel that's to slip on. If they don't get the fuck out my face, because guess what? Me have my blood clot, black card, me have all kind of card in here, so the whole of them blood clot loaded. Fuck no. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not from no goddamn social media. They make friends eat on here. I have no room to eat not one somebody dollar off of here. So I will tell y'all fucking things and don't give a fuck and tell y'all bitches in y'all face too. In real life. All my bills is paid. Up for a year. Now fuck with me. Me no nyam nothing out here, but I fucking eat on the food though. Cause I don't know the game. Now let me say what I gotta say and get off my dick. Whoever trying to report these nuts before I make y'all look down barrels. And put myself in jail again. Oh, cause this ain't no fucking joke. Y'all can take me simple if y'all want to. I'll go by God and time. That's it. 4 years. Okay? All of this fuckery, I chew no no. When I say hypocrite spirit, that's exactly what the fuck I mean. Drunkard spirit, that's exactly what I mean. Before good things happen, you get some shit. Y'all not fucking looking. You still got drunkard spirit active out here. Am I the only fucking one on this whole field out here while y'all having this bitch laugh and then y'all fucking with these people? Observant, you need to get that right. I know why I'm saying that. Just get it right. You understand? Boom, that's all. And so other people can understand. Because everybody is just up for grab. You got it in your hand, mama. Go and do it. But you see that person that's on your page. Get them out of here for a little while. Tell them don't come back to your page and doing that. Because when I come back in and I read it, that's single-handing a person out for no fucking reason and attacking. And I could have come out here and warm her fucking comments up right while I was on the road earlier. But that was too much. That was too better. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna see how far it's gonna go. But since they wanna fuck with my page and reconnect and go reconnect underneath on a pussy. Now observe it. Go on. And let your folks know that it was a misunderstanding. You are do good. And you help out a situation. And you know, say I never disrespect you none. And I won't. See it? But I need it to go down the line so y'all can understand. You see, Miss Rose, me know why me respect Miss Rose. And it's for a serious reason. And I'm not moving. And I will stand there. Because when you come and you do certain things, see, you never, you only talk about who you like, you not talk about the people that were connected to them, you know. Like them kids, them family. You don't respect them, you know. I just the person on the scene, you know. And I know saw me roll, you know. So for that reason alone, I see it on many occasions. And for that alone, and how me see a kid love you, Auntie Rose, you get nothing but that outside respect from you. You always gonna get it. And I know my reason why. You see me? And I know what it is. Facts. You see, Headteachakay, that's my sis right there. But put that to the side. That's a teacher. That's one of the most humble souls. People got their outlook. That's bullshit until you get to know a person, and that's it. You see why I'm giving y'all all the reasons? The reason for that is because I know for sure that we need a Headteachakay out here. She ain't hiding nothing from us. In other words, while we there, so boom, 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 bang, 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 bang. We need somebody like that. You get Auntie Rose, the kids. Look how my little bro react around her. Oh, I always love that lady there for that. You hear me? And that's deep. Because I want the Lord to recognize that. You see me? Observant. But watch you. I might not do it all the time. And I'm quite sure, you know, I respect you. Because you're doing good. Things that many of them will set them out there for 20 years not doing. So I'm going to need you. And this ain't by man. This is by God. You hear me? Fix it. And don't take me lightly. Fix it. Own it. Right? Because I don't like the kiki what some gal do. It's like them want a room. And they don't have nothing to offer the people. And I'm going to tell y'all this one time. There's people that I respect out here for my own logical reason. And if it was them, and I can see it. I didn't hear nothing. I was outside having fun with my drip on today. I had that drip on, and I was all over the place. See it? And it's my own reason why I did not want to come out here and nuff up myself. I don't apologize for nothing that I say. Ever. Now we gonna start here. I respect my Auntie Rose. Whether she knows, she don't know. That's the Headteachakay over there. And I respect Observant because Observant doing good. I got my own reason why I say that. You hear me? Something wrong? Observant. Fix it. Fix it. And if you don't fix it, you're going to be looked at funny. And I don't want you to be looked at. I want you to be looked at for the things that you're doing. Because when your name girl and I always hear it good, like you doing things, you know. You're helping out situations. Right? But this is unacceptable. People not going to know what I talk about observant. If someone didn't do something, clear it. Because in a real world, this is how people and facilities get sued. And when I use as sooner, listen to me. When a person didn't do it, picture you in an organization outside. A person didn't do something and them know it, but the media don't know it. A year time to make the media know. Say, yo, it was a mistake and that's it. If you read it on your comment, you would see why another woman that does not wear those names, clothes or body shame, and all of these nastiness that I've been hearing all day. She didn't deserve that. She was inserted without her consent. And that is Headteachakay. See it? Many times I'm out here. There's people I like. They see them drunk or spirit them. I chat. And just because I'm not like it, you know what I'm saying? Don't call them name. Now you can't disrespect them. And if I could do that any other time, I could do that now. And nobody can argue with me, say nothing to me about nothing. Put the whole on the head. Except for my head teacher, Auntie Rose, and observant. Wanna put in the head on the chopping board. Did something go wrong? Was a lot of us too jumpy? I think I only did one or two things on the media, and that was early in the morning. But you see, as the days go by, like the afternoon, late morning, afternoon, and things like that, I don't hear nothing from me from yesterday, no. Because I'm watching something. And I'm going to tell you all this. No. Uno better not ask my auntie. No question. No nothing. She ain't got nothing to say. I'll make sure someone fix this. You hear? Two people should sit back and wait for one woman to correct it. Correct it, man. On both sides, correct it. You have gal observant in your comment being fingerly disrespectful. Whatever went on with you and Auntie Rose, simple, fix that. Because in the end, when the atmosphere is cool, look back. One is going to know, hey, I didn't do nothing. And then the other one is clearly going to know that they what? F up. See? Me know if I make the drunkard spirit them suffer, you know. And one thing was says in, ain't it? We didn't come out here on our own, did we? We come out here on some supposedly principle, right? But what we see, and we see in all types of stuff. See, what I'm doing is, moving the good people on one side because I need y'all to see something before I cut up. See something before I cut up. Auntie Rose, you beautiful. With braces or without braces. And at your age, you look good. No doubt about it. How your hair is, with the color you have in, it fits you. 2 times you come out here and you're angry. I know you're a woman if you don't bother people. And I know this. If anybody choose to go any further with me, I'm going to tell you right now, Headteachakay is a very good soul. Enough people, if I don't have to say nothing, just a couple of her lives alone would tell you. And I know what I'm looking at in my head, and I know exactly what I'm saying. Stuff like that we need. It's not a want. People like Auntie Rose, we need. Observant is a big woman. Whether upon a kind heart, slay, because she helping out the situation. See it? Because I don't take nothing back from nobody. Hold on to that. Observant and aware. Because a lot of people is getting attacked for no reason. And I guess this is a situation where the Lord wanted us to see some things, which I clearly got. I clearly see it. And He knows it. This ain't no verses. This ain't none of that. When one is wrong, they wrong. When one right, they right. There's no going around it. It wasn't a competition or a fight to say verses. Because it wasn't. Understand. Anybody who take time out yesterday and even say anything, that's too much room for drunkard spirit. Well, I don't know. Back the out. Because I heard it. By drunkard spirit. And while this is going on, they plotting to take from y'all. And even strike some of y'all. So y'all got things to do. The people them were in the same yard as far as one humble soul gone. We all know what happened out here. What if we stop playing hypocrite spirit sometimes, you know? We clearly see now. I don't want to say too much. It's on the tip of my tongue to get this shit even. The only thing I can do is say this. Look into it. Observe and fix it real quick. It ain't take but 3 minutes. Fix it. Yeah. Because in life, mistakes is made to happen and you learn from it. You see me? A lot of us try to do this man upstairs job and everything always go the wrong way. Sometimes we need to give things a break and think about it. What the Lord would have done. Ain't He forgiven? In situations like this, some situation you're going to have to make an example. We're not talking about that. But in all situations though, look at it. See, they could say I'm crazy and they could say all that. I'm a very intelligent person. And I can sit here and don't say nothing to nobody. And don't be on the scenery. But I'm going to tell you something. I'm accurate in everything I do on social media, and I say, let peace reign, observant. You hear me? Because we're talking about conscience. Let peace reign. And know that a mistake, and the second one, to insert someone to even hear their voice or anything, is by what was in the comment. That person could have went on and get on her own fucking platform and go do that shit. Find her phone that she ride on and go and say that. And everybody could see her face. She did it under your umbrella. And if it was me, Ping Ping, me dog walker. Long time.